Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you my artificial gold jewelry collection. So without further ado, let's get started. Most of the jewelry items I got from Sukhi Jewellery from Amazon, and the remaining ones are from a local store. Before filming this video, I was actually looking at some of the lipsticks that I recently purchased. So my hands might appear a little red or a little chapped. I wear all this artificial gold jewelry with my Indian attire like sari or salwars. All these jewelries, they tarnish very quickly, so I keep them secure in a Ziploc bag, or I use a box to store all of them. This Mangalsutra is a gift from my sister. I absolutely cherish it because it's so dainty and so beautiful. This is a typical South jewelry which looks absolutely gorgeous over saris like kanjeeravam or patli pallus. And like always, I saved the best for the last, and with this we have come to an end of this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel down below, and also hit the bell notification so that every time I upload a video you are notified. And see you on my next one. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of your family, be positive, spread positivity, stay home, stay safe, and until next time, may the odds be ever in your favor. Goodbye.